In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to N8N. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin this setup, you'll need to access the Zoho API console. Open your web browser and head over to apiconsole.zoho.com. This is where you'll manage your API connection, so it's essential to be familiar with this platform. Once you're there, take a moment to look around and become comfortable with the layout. Next, you'll want to select server-based applications from the options provided. This choice is crucial as it allows for the necessary communication between Zoho CRM and N8N. This option is specifically designed to support integrations like the one we're working on today, ensuring that the data flows smoothly and securely between the systems. After selecting server-based applications, look for the option to Create Now. This will initiate the process of setting up your new API connection. Click on that button, and don't be alarmed if it takes a moment to load. The system is preparing to gather all the essential details from you. Now it's time to enter the necessary details for your connection. Be precise and thorough when filling out this form to avoid any issues later on. Typically, you'll need to include information such as the name of your application, your authorized redirect URIs, and any descriptions that might help you identify this connection in the future. Once you've filled out all the required fields, proceed by clicking on Create. This action finalizes your setup and generates the credentials that N8N will use to establish a secure connection to Zoho CRM. Wait for confirmation that your API connection has been successfully created. This may take a few moments as the system records your setup details. Now that you've created your API connection, you should see a summary of the credentials on the screen. These details are essential as they will be input into N8N to complete the integration process. Make sure to store these credentials securely. You'll most likely need them when authorizing N8N to access Zoho CRM data, ensuring that your workflows can run automatically and efficiently. There you have it. We've walked through everything from accessing the Zoho API console to generating your application's credentials. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a connection between Zoho CRM and N8N. This integration will help streamline your processes and improve the efficiency of your workflow. Explore the possibilities this connection brings and see how it enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our videos to further optimize your tools and workflows.